Hello everyone. Hope that you all having a good day. And I just want to say something about the situations before to all of my followers and my new followers that my father's already died last year 2022. And this is the reason why as well why I didn't have an update and new upload videos about our situations there in the pathway of St. Paul Church, because we are on grief that year 2022. This video that you're seeing is the situations that year that we are all in grief. So that's why it's only today that I do upload this, and it's really late. I hope that you guys still there for me to support on my new chapter of my life. And just want to say thank you to all of my followers and new followers soon. Hope that you're gonna still support me after this, what we are facing and me coping with all this. Once again, thank you to every one of you. God bless you all.